Okay, good morning once again. So at this point, we will try to discuss about horizontal lookup, or this is the HLookup function. So basically, this function is used to find a match in of a given logical value to any row in the given table selected. Okay, so for example, um, look at this table. So here we will try to find a match for ID number 103. We will identify who is the, or what is the name, or who is the owner of that ID number. And then we will identify what is the score or the grade of this student in math, English, science, and Filipino. So the only difference here between HLookup and VLookup is that HLookup, we will look for a match according to its row, while VLookup, we will look for a match in every column of the given table selected. Okay, so let's try to fill out this table here, and let's identify the name, the grade of these students in math, English, science, and Filipino. So probably we will just do it, or we will just look for the match, or look for the grade of this student in English. So to do it, of course, we will always start with an equal sign, and then type the word HLookup. Just double click, select the lookup value. Again, in this case, lookup value is a numerical value, or this is the ID number. Now, as you can see, ID number 103 is located at H1. So all you need to do is to click, and then assign or select the table where you will, or you need to find a match of this given value. So in this case, I selected from E1 up to S6, then hit comma again. And then since we're looking for the name, we select row number 2, and then select false. Again, false for exact match, and true for approximate match. So we are done with the syntax, and then let's hit enter. So as you can see, ID number 103 belongs to Kevin. Now I will try to look for the grade, or yeah, the grade of Kevin in math, and I want you to identify his grade in English, science, and Filipino. So to do that, I will use again HLookup, and then look for or select the logical value, or yeah, look up a value. Then since I'm looking for his grade in math, I'll select row number 3, which is row 1, row 2, and row number 3. Okay, or before that, I will select the table where I can possibly look for a match. So in this case, I selected from E1 up to S6, then hit comma again. Oops, I'll put here H1 comma, and then that one, and then math is located at row number 3, so I select row 3, and then hit on or select false for approximate match. So in this case, you clearly identify that Kevin owns this ID number 103, and he has 76th grade in mathematics. I want you to complete this table and give me your answers. Submit it through our Google Classroom.